Getting a better scope of the damage from recent rain in Glenn County.
Action News Now reporter Chloe Curtis shows us what it will cost to repair the roads and bridges.
Following this month's rain, several streams like this are still flowing all over Northern California. But the rain also brought damages along with it for several parts of Glenn County. Deputy Director of Office of Emergency Services Amy Travis says the storm closed or damaged several roads and bridges.
As you know, we're really flat and we flood very quickly, and so those floodwaters really rose up and covered roads and bridges, and so there's a lot of erosion because the water was very high and moving so quickly.
Travis says the Glenn County Sheriff's Office and Public Works are turning to FEMA for some help with the cost. She says FEMA toured the community last week to assess the damages. The assessment estimates storms this month caused more than $6 million in damages in the county. A decision can take a few weeks to a few months, but Travis says California OES will let them know then if Glenn County is eligible for help. Travis tells me the application is for public assistance. That's for repairing public infrastructure.
They also analyze the county's current annual budget to determine whether we have enough revenue in the county to cover those costs or if it's beyond our capability to cover those costs.
She says there isn't enough damage to private property to ask for individual assistance in the county. While most roads are back open, some, like County Road 303, may have parts like this still taped off. Glenn County OES says nearly 30 roads were closed at one point due to the storm, and says about a handful of those roads are still closed due to damages. In Glenn County, Chloe Curtis, Action News Now. Coverage you can count on.
And Glenn County OES says to drive carefully, especially because many road shoulders are still soft following all that rain. And you can find a list of updated road closures on this story on our website. So